right. Get right. Get right. Get right. Get right. Get right. We getting right. We taking flight. Bitch, nigga, you know that it's every night. We coke up. We roll up. Fucked your girl last night, then we broke up. We puffin' weed smoke. Yeah, you know that we roll. Oh, it's time to reload. Get it right, amigo. These bitches following me just like a shadow. But you know, nigga, I only fuck with bad hoes. Yeah, you know, nigga, that is the rules, though. Got these bitches taking off their clothes, though. Once their panties hit the floor, you know I am in there, though. And I am smashing just like, whoa, I'm thrashing just like, oh no, these bitches tripping like they living. YOLO, you fuck around, I got the digits. Oh no, I got the motherfucking money. I put it in a bag. I got all this shit and I got all the swag. I'm getting fucking cash and I get it fucking fast and you get it fucking fast. Got it in a trash bag. Got all the fucking weed. Yeah, you know it's fucking loud and we puffing fucking loud. Yeah, we break it fucking down and we smoking on that shit cause we just too legit, and we got your fucking bitch, and then another bitch, and she on my dick, and she suck that shit, and she do it good, and she do legit, and you know we smashing, and then we passing, we smoking weed like we just relapsing. Yeah, I go ham, and I don't give a damn. I'm just freestyling, yeah, you know I'm going in, and I'm going in. And then I'm going out. Get money, smoke good weed, that's what I'm about. You fuck around and I will catch your ass just like a trout. Put it in your mouth. Pistol whip your bitch like loud. And I don't give a shit. I got the pistol on my hip. That deuce, what you knew, never knew up on this shit. Smack you with my dick, cause all guys just don't give a shit. I got your bitch to the left and to the right. My homies quick, they bustin' it. They fuck around, they bust that shit. You fuck around, you done with it. You fuck around, we run Brunswick. We do this shit, just like every day. We get right, nigga, every day we smoke that haze. We get right, we get right, we get right. Bitch, you know it's every night. I get it right, my mind fucking takes flight. Got cash in the bag, you know, I spend it every night. At the strip club, yeah, you know I'm throwing ones. Your bitch is on me, she wanna just have some fun. She wanna get low, down to the fucking flow. She freaking it, she twerking it like what the fuck she twerking for. And I don't know, bitch, just shut up and suck my dick. Cause I don't give a shit, bitch, you know I'm too legit. I'm too legit. I'm coolin' it. I toot that bitch, I boot that shit, and then I'm through with it. I smack her ass in any class. I do this shit, nigga. Yeah, you know I'm smoking trash. Psych, just you know that I'm smoking loud. I break it down pound for pound. Yeah, I'm smoking loud. That's that shit, nigga. Turn your fucking hearing up. Don't give a shit, nigga. My mind is clearing up. It was fogged up, and now you know I'm hot as fuck. And I am in the zone. Say you know I'm in my zone. Got the zone, and I'm in the zone, and I'm going home, and I'm off the roam, and yeah. And you know I just kill this shit. Got the fucking bitches, and they wanna pop pills and shit. But that's okay. I do it, nigga, every day. Chief Keef every day. We just bang bang.